So this is the fuel pump that we pulled off a boat that came in that wasn't running, that had some water in it. And it's supposed to be a new fuel pump, new used, I guess, but it wasn't the one that, someone put this on for him. So there's a diaphragm. So you can see the diaphragm is old. But that's not the compartment. It was the one that was missing 2 screws, but that was not the part that concerned us. That part right there where it's been rusty and as you can see right there, the valve is completely rusted. That's, you're looking at the underneath side because the end of that's completely corroded off. So there's no way that was pumping.